41 years old barber from Trulfit. He is male pattern hair loss level 3 M-Shape. So would you like to say something? How is the procedure just started?
Today we start the hair transplant, which is
SMART FUE.
Yeah, and then everything is okay, no pain, no anything. I have my movie.
Do you feel any pain at the moment?
No, nothing at all.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
So we'll see the result soon. So far everything is perfect and the team was so good, no bleeding, no any pain, and the craft very good, which is you guys can see the result now. I want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you so much.